before the winter season arrives, what you have to do is you have to empty your water tank that you have used for washer fluid during the months of summer. So before the winter arrives, you will be filling it with winter washer fluid that can stay liquid up to minus 40 degrees centigrade or minus 60 degrees centigrade, but water expands at 0 degrees centigrade and forms ice, and it will have all sort of problems within your washer fluid compartment. So you just need to empty your water before the winter arrives. I'll show you how to fill the winter washer fluid as well. So I have emptied the washer fluid. As you can see, there is a dashboard light. So this is the dashboard light for the low washer fluid, and there is also a notification that says low washer fluid. Now I'll be entering the chemical, which is basically winter washer fluid that can stay liquid until minus 50 degrees centigrade, minus 40 degrees centigrade, or minus 60 degrees centigrade. So let's see. Okay, so this is the windshield washer fluid that I'm gonna use. This stays liquid, or it has freeze protection until minus 20 degree Fahrenheit. As you can see, this also has de-icer in it. It is given with a warning of danger poison, so please be careful. Now first of all, you need to pop out your trunk. This is a Toyota Sienna, and in order to pop out your hood actually, so you need to press this one. This is located onto the driver's side, just below your steering wheel, and this is a Toyota Sienna car. So this unlocks your hood. As you can see, you need to put your finger over here. There is a mechanism here that you need to push towards the left. I need both hands to lift this hood. So this is that mechanism. You need to push it towards the left, and then you need to lift this hood with your left hand. Now after you have done that, there is a stick that holds the hood. That stick usually is here. Okay, you need to lift this stick and put the hood in place so that the hood stays like this. Okay, now for the Toyota Sienna car, you can see the washer fluid compartment onto the left side. Okay, onto the left side, it basically has a symbol on top of it. So this is the symbol. It is showing a windshield and liquid, and it also has washer fluid only written on top of it. Usually it comes with a cap of black color or yellow color or blue color. You need to lift this up, and this is where you need to fill in your washer fluid in. So before I fill in the washer fluid, I'll switch off my car. So this is actually a cap. It is closed in tightly because it is almost a chemical which is considered poisonous to children. So you need to push it and then rotate it anti-clockwise in order to open this. After that, I need to put the liquid in this compartment. Usually the compartment is also 1 gallon, and this bottle also comes in 1 gallon. But make sure that when it comes to the brim, you need to stop, otherwise it will overflow. I need both my hands so that there is no spillage. So I'm gonna fill it in. As you can see, I have filled in the liquid, the washer fluid, into the washer fluid compartment. So it did not fill to the brim. I think my compartment is larger than 1 gallon, and the washer fluid that I was filling from was 1 gallon. So I closed the lid this way after filling in. So I have closed the lid, and this is the way to fill the washer fluid in Toyota Sienna. After filling the washer fluid, as you can see, the dashboard light for washer fluid has gone. There is no maintenance symbol, and there is also no indication on the screen over here. So I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel.